This is still day 1 here in Hawaii, and this is my outfit for tonight. My top is from Kukai, Australia. My skirt from Zara. For my lip tint, I'm using this one from Dior. I'm not gonna blow dry my hair because we don't have time. Bracelet, necklace. I'm so sorry, the lighting is not good. And this is a pimple. Earrings. I don't know what to do with my hair. Earlier, pumunta kaming botanical garden and then nag-sailing and swim. So tonight, dapat mag-Italian restaurant kami pero kinancel ko yung reservation kasi late na kami. For my footwear, I'm gonna use this one from Michael Kors. I don't know what to do with my hair. Same bag kasi itong bag lang yung dala ko for this trip aside from my tote from Barnes & Noble. This is tonight's fit.